Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas, a market where you really need some patience, right? So we're going to take a look at futures and then we take a look at spot, of course, as well. Here, interestingly, on the futures chart for Natgas, we have not yet made a new low, right? So the spot market shows a new low already, and we've actually come below the 22nd of February low quite a bit, but we're going to take a look at that on the spot chart. Here, futures, this B wave is not overshooting yet to the downside. It can do that. We did talk about that. These B waves can overshoot to the downside. Unfortunately, at present, even though we did have a trend line here on the chart and it did break above the trend line, it has so far failed to rally in an impulse. It is looking like a corrective structure to the upside still, just sideways action. Surely, possibly you could, it's certainly possible to get here a so-called triple bottom, or double bottom, depending on how you count it or how you view it. But these are typically unreliable. But let's see. Certainly we have reached here very important support on the futures chart at around 196. We already saw a small reaction, but really only a tiny reaction. It's not enough for me to say that a low has been made here. The problem, and that's just sort of the character of a B wave can be very, very difficult to analyze. So it can overshoot to the downside. It can be very short. So structurally, based on what a B wave is, we're quite limited here in terms of being able to say when it's going to turn around. My view is still that the fourth wave is still in the making. That's at least my primary view. And that after the fourth, we should get a fifth wave down. So that in this fourth wave, we have an A, B, C structure. Yeah, it's been going on for a while now, but a wave 4 is often a sideways correction. So this looks like a sideways. One more high and you get this sideways the three-wave move in a flat pattern, right? This is still my view. Alternatively, it could of course be that this is already sort of the larger fifth wave down, basically that we put the wave 4 here to the high of the 3rd of March. This is already the wave 5 to the downside. At the moment, there is no way of saying which one it is. I'm still of the opinion we should get this C wave to the upside. Surely I could be wrong. But also note that this B wave can overshoot to the downside. Now, I would say we're quite limited with that because on the spot market, we're already overshooting to the downside. But in theory, this can overshoot by 1.38 the length of the A wave. So you're looking here possibly at, 156, as a maximum what it should do in a B wave. Let me actually add here the 1.272 as well. So in terms of downside movement, if we break below 196, there's a good chance we get that 168 level here or even 165 in a B wave. Unfortunately, it is what it is with these B waves. They can be difficult to forecast before then going up in the C wave. But it doesn't need to come down that low, but it can. That's the uncertainty we deal with. At the moment, certainly there is no sign that a bottom is in of the B wave. A break above the 223, 224 level would certainly be a start. However, now we look at a spot. Here we have made quite a decent new low. Let's see how far we did overshoot to the downside. Here it's the same count, 1.38 retracement. Could take us all the way down to 172 here on the spot chart. So it still has space in the current wave count of around 13%. Now, interestingly, on the futures chart, it could still come down basically like 25%. That's quite a bit. I would probably keep it a B wave until we go below 172. Then I have to change it. And then I will say, okay, we are probably already in the fifth wave. But at the moment, there is, either way, whatever it is, at the moment, I can tell you there is no sign a bottom is in. Other than a little bit of a reaction now, but we've seen that before. So yeah, no strong sign that the low is in, no impulse to the upside, and therefore we remain focused on the downside short term until we have a nice reaction to one of these fib levels, maybe here on the spot chart, 182 or 172. If it breaks above the Sunday high, which was here at 213, yeah, that might be a good start to say that the C wave is in. Then we need to look at the structure and can possibly identify more on a lower time frame, but at the moment there's just nothing there, and it doesn't show any promising signs yet. All right, that's my update about Natgas. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.